In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to add funds to Nintendo Switch eShop. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Adding funds to your Nintendo eShop account is extremely simple. You will be able to add as many funds as you need to purchase any games or anything available on the eShop. So there are two main ways to do this. The first one is just going to be by adding items to your cart and proceeding to checkout and choosing one of the primary payment options such as a credit card. When you proceed to checkout after you select the option to purchase any game, you will be able to add funds directly. This will allow you to add the exact amount that you need to finish that purchase, and it is primarily done using a credit card. So when you proceed to checkout, choose the option to acquire anything available in the eShop and choose credit card or any other available payment method. Like I said, this should allow you to just have the exact amount of funds needed as soon as you include any valid payment method. Alternatively, if you don't have a credit card or this option is unavailable, the second best course of action is going to be to acquire a Nintendo Switch or a Nintendo eShop gift card. You can find these online or in actual physical retailers, and they have different amounts. For example, $10, $20, $50, and so on. You can choose from any of the preset amounts, and as soon as you acquire and validate one of these gift cards on the counter, you will be able to go over to the eShop and choose the option to enter code at the bottom left. When you choose enter code, you just have to enter the code that is displayed on your gift card after you activate it through the counter. You will be able to add the amount of funds through the Nintendo eShop gift card that you acquired, and you will be able to purchase the game with the funds that you recently added. I hope I was able to help you on how to add funds to Nintendo Switch eShop. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.